Today we're going to see how to change an engine air filter on a Mercedes E350 2009 to 2016. And first step, open the hood. Step 2, press up and the shock should keep it up. Alright, now the engine air filter is part of this cover. So we need to take this cover off and then this cover off. And then inside that is 2 engine air filters and we'll change that. Hey, this one is easy. You can just pry it up just like that. Step 3, we're going to take these 2 air intakes out. So the way to do that, you take this side out first, just the top clip, and then try to, hard to do with one hand, but basically take it out of here and then twist this and pull out, and that should come right out. Do the same on this side. Once these 2 are done, let's undo this clip. Just push it back and then just put your hand down here and pull. The engine is hot, it'll be a little hot to do that. Once you do that, this whole component will come right off. Before that, I forgot to undo this hose. Just pull it, it'll come off, and that's it. So T25 bolts, let's take them off. Pinch T20 will work. It's just plastic, so don't over tighten. Put it back. Let's do the same here. Long ago I cleaned this one. Oh, okay, I cleaned the other one. So this shows how dirty it is. As you can see, it's filtered quite well, but all this debris. Right, we take the new filter, and it honestly doesn't matter whether you put it this way or turn it around the other way. It'll all fit. Just make sure that it fits precisely in there. What you need to do is make sure you press this into the groove properly so it's even across the board. That's what I'm doing now. As you can see it's lifting up a little bit there. Spend your time to make it even. You don't want any air leaking. So when it's all done, you should only have like about 1/8 of an inch sticking from that lip. So it should be even across the board like that, and 1/8 of an inch above the black rim. Once that's seated, we just have to match the screws and fit it properly. That's a perfect fit. Wiggle it, shouldn't have any movement. And once that's done, let's put the screws back. Start with the corner. Snug fit is good. All done. So filters are in. Now we just have to reassemble it. All right, once you have this, make sure these 4 clips are intact. Sometimes what happens is some of these clips will remain on these mounts, these circular mounts, you can see. And if that's the case, pull it out of there and put it back into here so that they mount properly. Just a press fit, so all we have to do is line up and press. And let's do that. Easy to line up because there's this hole in the middle. Just line this part up first. There it is. Once it's lined up, press. You can feel it click. All 4 clips are pressed. Now put this back clip. Nice click. And don't forget to attach the hose from the secondary air injection pump. So take that and line it up. Match these arrows. Push it all the way in. This will throw a cord if you don't. All right, that is it. Finally, put the air intake hoses, 1 on each side. So let's do that. You definitely need 2 hands for this. I'll try with 1. You basically put it slightly tilted this way and turn, lock it here, and then you worry about this. This you can just push it back a little and line it up and click. And that's it. See, that's done. Doing the same on this side. Click, done. Make sure, wiggle it and see if there's any movement. Shouldn't be any. All right, so just for reference, this end should be touching this piece over here. That's how far in it goes. Here the clips tell you where it should be. And that is it. And finally, just line this up and press. And that's it. And that's how you change engine air filter on a Mercedes Benz W212. And I hope you liked the video, and I will see you in the next video. Please consider subscribing so I can give more content with this car and much more.